CSP Battery Company offer microcontroller-based fully automatic and digital forklift battery chargers. The FL series made in Taiwan. These series are available in 4 different sizes: small, medium, large, and an extra large, that is compatible for various battery types of sweepers, forklift, pallet trucks, ATV, high-altitude working vehicle, and more. Different voltages and amperes are available in the same size and casing within these 4 designs. It automatically operates in 2 mode, equal mode, and normal mode. It is available from 12 to 80 voltage charging amperes from 10 to 120 amperes. These series are equipped with an advanced feature, such as digital voltage display, automatic switching operation. It is an advanced protection such as under voltage, over voltage, short circuit, reverse polarity. It can be customized compact design and more added features as customers' requirement. For more information, please visit our website, www.chargersite.com.tw.